Hello guys, in this video I am gonna show you how to install HappyMod on your Android device. First you need to reset your Chrome. Long press on the app and click on App Info. Click on Manage Space, and click on Clear All Data. In Android Pie, same method, and clear the data of your Chrome. And open your Chrome once again. Accept and continue. Done. Actually this HappyMod was given by an software developer Gyan Nagendra. No thanks. Once is page loaded, click on the search bar. And type HappyMod. Click on the first website there called happymod.com. Or you can directly type happymod.com. And there click on download. Okay.